welcome to the UK movie. Today, two movies on the bill. We will know the opinion of two guests about Twilight and War Horse. Now we will talk about War Horse. It's a beautiful story among a horse and a human during the Great War. When the war breaks out, the army grabs the horse and the young man decided to go in the armed force to join his horse. During a battle which turned out badly, the two characters are separated. From this battle, the man and the horse try to survive in front of the man's fury. The horse will be mistreated by Alice and Axis forces. And the young man will become blind because to a cloud of gas. So, Leo, what do you think about this movie?
So, firstly, the War Horse realizer is Steven Spielberg, and everyone knows that he is an exceptional realizer. And I will give you 5 reasons to watch the War Horse.
Reason number 5.
The actors are very good. We can see all the emotion in their eyes. All the war horror is expressed by the horse and the young man.
Reason number 4.
The colors are exaggerated to show the feeling of the character and the situation.
And to show the horror of the war
Of clear cut?
of clear cut
Yeah.
to the spectator.
Reason number 3.
The expression of the character are good.
And the human is opposed to the Great War.
Because we care about a man's destiny.
The horse is a well raised and it makes more realism and emotional than a numeric horse.
Reason number 2.
The movie gets us a lot of emotion, and the young man takes a lot of risks to find his horse. His horse will cross a lot of risk in the clear cut.
And finally, reason number 1.
This love story is very original because it's a union between a horse and a human. The horse seems very clever and transmits a lot of emotion.
Okay, Leo. Thank you. See you soon. Take care. Raphael, a correspondent on the ground, gonna talk his opinion about Twilight. At the opposite to War Horse, there is Twilight. It's a love story between Bella, a young girl who has just moved in Seattle. In her high school, she meets Edward, a handsome guy. She falls in love with him, but Edward proves to be vampires. He is immortal and his family, the Cullen, is constituted of vampires too. After she knows it, she still loves Edward and she wants to be a vampire too. So, let's hear Raphael about this movie.
So, I will expose you 5 reasons to not see this movie. Reason number 1, it's a personal reason. It concerns the vampire style. For me, a vampire has to be dark, scary, and impressive. But in Twilight, there is no trace of that type of vampire. For example, the legendary weakness to the sun, in Twilight, they are only shine when they have a contact with the sun. And I think it takes away the damned side of a vampire who could be interesting to the film. Reason number 2, the dialogue. They are all simple and annoying. Here is some example. I dream of being on your side eternally. You are my life now. It's just cliché and there are so many examples of this type of dialogue. Reason number 3, the characters. The main characters are the more annoying of the story. Because the background is not very interesting for Bella. Edward is the cliché of the dark and handsome guys. There are, in Twilight, some characters much more interesting, but they are not developed, like Jasper. Reason number 4. The actors play. It's a very important part. I think the actors will take only for the physical because they have only one facial expression and it doesn't give a lot of emotions. Reason number 5. The most important the most important part concerns the love story. It brings nothing new, it's already seen 1,000 of times. The impossible love story exists since Romeo and Juliet, and all of the interest of Bella for Edward and conversely is based on the physical.
So now it's your turn to decide what is the best movie. I thank my two guests, Leo and Raphael, to share their opinion with us. Dear viewers, see you soon and thanks to your listening. Hey. Tu pouvais pas faire ça avant. Reason number 4. Et j'ai fait un 5 avec mes doigts.
The color are exaggerated to show the feeling of the character and the situation.
Because
Non,
we
non,
care.
mais tu la mets à l'endroit quand même, c'est bon, à un moment donné, faut...
The horse is a well raised and it make more realism and emotional than a numeric horse.
Okay, thank you Leo. See you soon, take care. Raphaël, a correspondent on the ground, we will talk new on Twilight. He is immortal and his family is Cullen. Is constitute of a vampire too.
C'est bon, je comprends. Non, j'ai fait le...
So, now it's your power to decide. I thank my two guests, Leo and Raphael, to share their opinion with us.